Hi friends, today we're gonna do a spider for Halloween. To get started, just grab a piece of paper
and a Sharpie and some markers.
And some colored markers.
So let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with our spider now. So we're gonna make a circle right down here for the body. Like that. Oh, you got a big spider going. Okay, I'm gonna do two eyes. I'm gonna do the right eye first. And then I'm gonna do the left eye, another circle for the left eye, but they kind of overlap, so they don't make two full circles. The first one's a circle, the second one's half a circle, yeah. Okay, on the inside of the eye, I'm gonna do the eyeball, the pupil area, and I'm gonna color that in. But you can leave that if you want to color it red or something like that after.
I don't want
different
it.
color.
I want it like black.
Okay, and then we're gonna do a mouth.
Do you want to do a
So we're gonna do a mouth here. And at the end of the mouth, I'm gonna do two circles.
Ooh.
But I'm not gonna fill those circles in. Like that. And then this spider's gonna have 4 legs on this side and they're gonna be bent. So this one's gonna be like this, watch. Bent like that. But then we're gonna double it up and make it thick like this. Like 1, and then I'm gonna do 2. The third one. And the fourth one. And now you do the same on the right side. So we'll do 4 legs on the right side. Ooh, looking good. That's it, there we go.
And
then
the spider web.
Spider web, yeah. So mine is gonna be hanging and dropping down from the ceiling.
Can I do a spider web? Could you do that for coloring?
Yeah, you wanna do spider web? We can do like this, watch. Let's
I
do this.
I know how to do a spider
Well,
web.
let me show you first on this side. So do a kind of like an umbrella shape like this.
I do it like a circle.
Well, let's try this time. And then over here, you can bring some lines to the corner of the page. And then inside here, let's do shapes that are the same as the first shape that we made.
I'm just doing this.
Okay. All right, there we go. We have a little spider web in the corner.
Yay!
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna fill in with color to bring our spider to life. How did your spider turn out?
Good.
I think ours both turned out really cool.
My favorite part about the spider is the spider web.
Oh yeah, that was a nice little touch in the corner there. I actually put some hair on mine to make it a little like kind of spooky and scarier. Ooh. Yeah. So hope everybody's at home. Theirs looks just as cool as ours does. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.